If you print a color text or an image with a color printer, but the printer only prints the whole document in black and white, there are no missing parts in the document, and there are not error messages, try the following methods. Keep in mind that it's never a cartridge problem. A defective cartridge would cause missing parts on the printed page. Most of the times it's a setting problem. To be sure, print a diagnostic page using the control panel or the printer folder. If the test pattern shows the colors, the printer is working for sure and the problem is somewhere else. Try to print a different document, PDF, Word or Excel, or create a new simple file that contains colors and print it. If there are colors, the document you are trying to print might be corrupted. Check the print settings. Make sure that the name of the printer you are using is the same showed in the printer name box. If you are trying to print a color document selecting another printer, this might be the reason the print is black and white. Check all the options and look for the color options that use black only. There could be more than a box to check. If your page is set up to print in grayscale, it will print only black. Remove the checkmark from grayscale. Change all the settings to color. To make it short, reset your printer to the default settings. Some color printers have different resolutions for color and black and white, usually an higher resolution in black and white. Some application will force a printer to use a quality mode that affects this option, and if the resolution is forced to its highest, the color output may be disabled. Update the printer driver or uninstall the printer from Programs and Features, then go to the printer manufacturer website, type your printer, select your operating system, then click the driver that meets your needs. Change the USB cable and the USB port of the PC. It's not common, but a defective cable could cause wrong data to the PC. Hope these tips helps. Good luck.